Paano ba 'to mag-exercise? Hindi ko alam. Ngayon ko lang 'to ginamit, sa dalaga ko 'to, eh. This is from my, daughter. She is, doing me like this. But for me, this is my problem. I want to make flat from here. How? I don't know. This one for the muscles, right? This one for here, for this one, and this one for the abs. I want for the abs. That's why I want to make exercise after my live. Exercise for the abs, for the tummy. You know, I want to make flat from this one, so that I feel confident and I feel what you call this one? I feel Colbergenstein. Are you going to eat or post workout meal? Just trying. I'm trying my best to make. Can we go out to dinner? Dinner? Here is 12 noon. 12 noon. 12 o'clock. Please can you support my member and my friend here? I pin my friend named Daily Life Blog. Can you support here? Can you please send her a full support, please? That one is a BB channel, you know. I'm talking about a little bit later. But how? We are far. We cannot eat together. It's impossible. I am far. Why you are? Where is your place? Where is your place? Whew. America. So we are far. How we eat together? Okay. We cannot eat together. We are very far. Just I'm making exercise to make good here from here circle, you know? Little bit. Little bit only, brother. I have brother and sister. My friend here, how many? 190. I have live every day, okay? If you want to subscribe, if you want to follow or to watch my live every day, you can subscribe me, okay? You can watch my video every day. I have a live every day, morning and evening. I have also in the evening. If you want to come, it's okay. I'm Sarah Babu. Hi, auntie. Hi. Hello. Tell me if you are a main channel, because I didn't put a moderator in the ninja, no? I am giving a moderator to a main channel. If you are a main channel, tell me tell me that you need a jacket. Okay. I have a live every day, guys. Live streaming. Morning and evening. So if you want to see me, if you want to watch my live every day, you can subscribe me. And thank you in advance to one who subscribed me. Okay. All of you here is thank you. It's very hard like this, huh? And it's spinning. You know, guys, it's spinning. Rosa Maria Manhik. Hi.